welcome to another episode of kamaltechvlog. Okay, today what we are going to do is, if you can see behind, there's a green screen over here and we got to light it. Without that, we'll not be able to go ahead and do any editing of that. And most of the green screen lighting is expensive. So I'm going to teach you the most inexpensive way to make a green screen light. And it will just charge you about less than 500. So let's go ahead and start. So that we do have to go ahead and take out all the shadows or anything which comes here. So I will go ahead and give you a step-by-step way how can you light it with just normal LEDs. So let's start. Okay guys, as I told you, I'm going to go ahead and show you the best inexpensive way to start your to go ahead and light your green screen. As you can see, the green screen is behind me and there are a few shadows over here of my own. You can see here. While you're going ahead and editing your video, it would cause a big problem. So we need to go ahead and light the green screen also properly to change your background. So let me just go ahead and tell you what all you require. So first of all, for your green screen, from down it should be lit. For that, all you need is something like this. You might be having this in a home like an emergency light. Okay. That's more than enough for you to be lit from below. So now I'm just going to go ahead and place this now over here. So it has been placed below to light the bottom half of the green screen. Now what else do you require? I told you within 500. Yeah, it is within 500. I'll show you that. If you can see this clearly, this Crompton LED tube. It comes with the panel, as you can see that. And it has wire until this, and you have to just get a 1 meter wire or 2 meter wire according to your own use, which will be 10 rupees per meter. And this 10 rupees adapter. You don't require anything else for the first lighting. That is, from that side we are going to light this. Okay, so let's move towards that side. Okay guys, as you see, I have the tube light over here and I have the switch over here, and I have connected the wire also, as I told you. So I'm just going to place it over here. This is completely a home setup for a cheap green screen. So bear with me over here. So I'm just placing the wire over here. I've just put some extra wire in case of emergency. And if I connect this over here, and switch it on, you can see the switch is on now and the light is on now. Just move with me. You can see the light over here, and now you can see the light over here clearly. Am I right? So this part is lit, and the bottom portion is also lit over here. So now what we have to do is we have to go to the right hand side. Okay, my left hand side. I'm sorry about that. So we have prepared another tube for that with the same configuration. There's no difference in that. And we'll be placing it over here. Exactly a little bit more wider so that the light gets dispersed properly to this place. If you want, you can move it a little bit further also, like this, so that the light is dispersed properly. Okay, like this you can keep and you can displace it. Now if you see, the green screen is lit from this side, from below, and from the other side. You can see that clearly over here. So 1, 2, 3 directions without any problem. In case you require another light, you can use your main video light. That is, if you're using a bulb or something in the opposite direction, that will give you the light over here. In my case, I'm using a normal light. I'll just pull it over here so that you can see that. If you see clearly, I'm using this light, and I will be making a tutorial on how to set this up also in a very inexpensive way, because I have done that, and I'll be putting that. So when this light goes in the forward, what happens is, when it's facing me, this is my key light, so it's facing me, it takes out the shadow from behind me also. This shadow doesn't come. So this is the most inexpensive way to light a 3-point lighting. That's this side, and below. Apart from that, for your own video convenience, if you have a ring light or if you have a light like this for a key light, you will be able to use that to make your video experience better. And mostly in this channel, we make tutorials for all this, and I am going to start a video tutorial for all the how to start a YouTube channel, and it goes on and on with your lighting and everything will be in an inexpensive manner, and how you want to promote your YouTube channel. It's a series which I'm going to start from mostly tomorrow, and please do go ahead and subscribe to this channel so that you can go ahead and watch the series completely. And every series I'll be stating to you what I'll be going ahead and doing in the next series also. That is in the next episode of that series. So please keep watching this channel to know more updates regarding this, and please do subscribe to get the notifications of that. So this is the easiest way, as I told you, to go ahead and set up a lighting for your green screen, because as we all know, green screen comes for about 300 bucks, and we anyhow hang it with clips and whatever possible in the home, or with thread or anything. It's easy actually. But in your professional thing, as you've seen the Avengers movie and all those stuff, you can't go ahead and purchase that lighting system for a green screen. If you have the sunlight, natural sunlight, it's easier. But these lights are inexpensive lights. They are brighter than the usual lights, and they don't cause any problem during editing, and you can put any background behind. Okay guys, as I'm talking to you now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the screen behind like this. So this is how you can go ahead and make your own system properly. And do remember, at least give a 2 feet gap while you're standing in front of a green screen, so that there is no problem at all. And until next time, do keep watching Kamal Tech Vlogs. This is Kamal over here, and you have a wonderful day.